Getting into your dream home may be easier after some changes that went into effect this month. To tell us more about that, we're joined by Kirby Scofield, owner of Scofield Realty, the sponsors of this segment. Kirby, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
The changes we're talking about involve private mortgage insurance.
Correct.
First of all, what is that?
Private mortgage insurance is basically insurance you have to get if you have less than 20% down to protect the lender.
Okay.
In case you default.
So that has been lowered.
That has been lowered, yes.
Which makes it more affordable for a lot of people.
Yeah, so it was lowered by 30 basis points from 80 basis points to 50, which in return on an average house right now with our FHA limit, which is 512 that you can get, $123 in savings a month from a month ago. So
significant.
Significant. It can either make you afford more or your debt to income ratio change now. So if you're looking for a house a month, 2 months ago that may have been just on the cusp out of your affordability, you may be able to afford it.
Now, is this true of homes of any price, or is there a limit?
No, it's any price with FHA and the conventional limits. VA still has their funding fee of the 1.75. That did not change yet. There's word it may, but for the FHA and conventional funding fee, it has, or the PMI.
Okay, so you have three options then when it comes to the VA. Am I correct?
Yeah, VA, FHA, and conventional.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and so how do you know which one is which for you?
So with a client, you'll know because VA is your anyone who's a military, a veteran, family veteran, and with that loan, you're the 100% covered. I mean, of course, you put down payment, it's 100% covered, and it's the 1.75% funding fee. But as far as FHA, that's your traditional, what you hear, the first-time home buyer, but you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to get it.
Okay.
So it's the normal 3.5% down, but with rates constantly going up and all we hear is the news on that, when you're attacking a rate that say was 6%, but now you're saving 30 basis points, maybe you're at 5.7 now.
Right.
So it changes everything because that's still a percentage of the total loan is how it's based off of it.
So how can people figure out what numbers are what?
Best. Am I allowed to plug my personal
Absolutely,
lender?
100. Yeah.
So hit up Robert Coomer Group. They will take care of you. They're VA specialists and FHA specialists, you name it. But they're actually the ones that provide me all this information. So it comes from the experts, from the Fed, how it works. And that first step is talk to one of our agents and then with the lender.
All right, Kirby, thanks so much. Appreciate you being here today. Look forward to seeing you again. And we want to thank Scofield Realty for sponsoring this segment. If you want more information, you can visit ScofieldRealty.com or call that number on the lower part of the screen, 702-941-7202.